This Kohler Flipbook shows you how to install the Purist widespread bathroom sink faucet. Apply plumber's putty to the underside of the spout. Install the spout. Partially thread the 2 screws into the mounting plate. Apply plumber's putty to the underside of the handles. Install the handle with the cold tag on the right and install the other handle on the left. If the countertop thickness is less than 3/8 inches, use the dishwasher. If the countertop is greater than 3/8 inches, use the metal washer. Assemble the washer to the handle as shown. Do not tighten the screws. Verify that the handles are in the off position. Align the handles as shown. Position the screws to the front and back. Tighten the screws to secure. Install one supply hose to each handle. Thread the adapter into the shank. Insert the hoses into the adapter. Disassemble the drain. Apply plumber's putty to the flange of the drain tailpiece. Install the tapered gasket and washer to the drain tailpiece. Thread the nut onto the drain body. Using a wrench, tighten the nut. Wipe up excess plumber's putty. Thread the stopper into the drain body. Connect the drain tailpiece to the trapway. Test the stopper for proper operation. Connect the supply hoses to the faucet. Turn on the water supplies and check for leaks. Using the provided key, remove the aerator from the spout. Run water to flush debris from inside the faucet. Reinstall the aerator. Verify that the aerator is fully tightened in the spout. Thank you for choosing Kohler. Click on the links in the video description to register your product and learn more about the Purist widespread bathroom sink faucet.